Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw with Chase Bank for affiliate payments, complete guide step by step clearly. To withdraw affiliate payments using Chase Bank, start by logging into your Chase online banking account. Enter your username and password to access your account dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts tab to view your account options. Select the account from which you want to withdraw funds. Click on the Transfer or Withdraw option available for that account. Choose the amount you wish to withdraw for your affiliate payments. Next, decide where you want to send the funds. You can opt to transfer the money to another bank account or withdraw it as cash from an ATM. If transferring to another account, enter the recipient's bank details accurately. Review the provided information to ensure everything is correct before proceeding. Once confirmed, click on the Submit or Confirm button to initiate the transaction. Wait for the confirmation message indicating that your withdrawal request has been processed. Note the estimated time for the funds to be available, as it may vary based on your chosen method. Should you prefer to withdraw cash, locate a nearby Chase ATM. Insert your debit card and enter your PIN. Follow the prompts to select the withdrawal option and input the desired amount. Collect your cash and receipt once the transaction is completed. If you encounter any issues during the process, contact Chase customer support for assistance. Keep track of your transactions in your account history for reference. This will help you manage your affiliate payments efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.